Welcome back with a new growing video again. Yeah, sorry guys, but I really love to do this for the ingredients for the streams, and we finally got the place to farm a little bit, so let's get it. Ooh. And now it's time to make this one just like this or that one. Let's go guys, let's put some work in there, get the weeds out, get the soil nice, use that tiller again, and rock and roll, footy fam. Let's go. Thanks for watching, by the way. I really appreciate that. And hit that like button. Let's go, baby.
Oh la la, look at that going. Get down. Till it, baby.
Let's go, guys.
Get the weeds out. Beautiful little butterfly chilling on the plants. The zucchini growing really good, and the broccoli and the cauliflowers. And of course we had to get some good food. A little bit of a fish salad, Mediterranean. Wow.
Omhoog, omhoog, omhoog.
The land was so dry, so we really had to spray it good with the water. So sprinkle it as good as we could. And the next day, little doggy came out to check it out a little bit.
What?
Such a cutie. We planted some plants, or made a plan for it at least. Let's get it in there. Oh yeah, and I thought let's start on the other side of the land a little bit, because there were so much weeds, a little break in between. And I thought let's chill a little bit, and then we need to rock and roll it again, because, you know, we got to keep it clean, keep it cool. Otherwise, everything is blowing over to our own spot where we grow everything. So I thought, let's just do this, baby. Could use the tiller anyway.
Wow, what a difference, guys. Let's freaking go. Maybe we are allowed to plant here something too. I thought, let's do our best a little bit extra. Let's get it, chat. Much love. Keep on growing. Peace.
Here we had some old wood from the neighbor, so I thought let's get the nails out and let's make a strawberry grow bed from it. Here I started getting the nails out. Took a little bit, but you know, that's maybe too boring to show you guys, so I show a little time lapse. So how about I started building this? Very easy, very cheap. I thought let's do this with the stuff we have for free, because the property is not ours yet. So I've been doing this with old stuff, but you know, hey, it's working out so far, so I hope we can grow a lot. It's not our property yet, so let's do it as cheap as possible. But let it grow, let it grow. Take a look at this.
Want to see what we're gonna plant in the plants in this grow bed? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching again, and I'll see you next video. Let's go. Appreciate you guys. Much love. Keep on growing. Peace.
Oh, I'm so happy with this new sprinkler, guys and girls. See you next video. Let's go. Much love.